Okay, me and John are going to take the FT Legacy FPV plane out to the runway out here and fly it FPV over the golf course. So let's do it. Try the goggles. Got video. I guess I should start the goggles recording, huh?
Yeah, you probably should.
That one's recording. Now I got to get it out here and let it. All right, I'll go ahead and fly.
What frame rate you got it set at?
30.
Okay.
Here we go. Oh no! Alright, let's go investigate. You stay there.
Kind of far out there.
In the back is differential cross. Okay, it should be coming back to us and stabilize. Let's see what I got. Oh yeah.
You're flying left to right now? That you flying left to right?
Yeah. You got it?
No. I lost track of you. I think you're over the trees on the right, right?
Yeah, probably. I'm headed away from us, I know that.
Yeah, I can see you're heading away from you.
All right, I'm gonna
Yeah, you're way out there. You want to come back to us a little bit.
I'm gonna move my head around. That's stupid. Okay, headed back to us.
Okay. Because you're way out there on the right.
All right.
You're going away from us still.
All right. I think I see the clubhouse.
Alrighty, how do you want to do this?
Still recording so far. If you come towards the clubhouse over here.
All right, now I'm coming towards what looks like the clubhouse.
Doesn't look right though.
Oh, okay, now, how about now? Yeah, that looks right.
Can you see the
Actually,
runway?
that's the main road there.
Yeah,
There's the house.
You need to come back this way before you lose signal.
All right. Can you still see it?
No, you're behind the trees.
I'm headed back towards it.
Yeah, but you're below the tree line. You're gonna have to go up, get higher up.
Can you see me now?
No, you're still behind the trees.
It could be my home arrow was wrong. I don't know.
Oh, I see you. I saw a glimpse of you. There you are. I see you now.
See me now?
You come back towards the runway. You see the runway?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay, you're real close. You're right behind your back.
All right, over the runway now, right?
Yeah, you're over the runway. Right. Exactly. In fact, you went over the pilot line a little bit.
Going over the trees.
Yeah. Yeah, you were way out there. Probably like at least a mile out there earlier.
I see the river.
Yeah. Watch out. Out for the trees. You're kind of close to the trees there.
Alright, should be doing a flyby.
Yeah.
Can I see it? Where is it? Oh, there it is.
Yeah. Watch out for the trees. You
Oh,
clip that
boy.
tree a little bit. Go up, pull out, pull out.
Going full bore. Clipped the tree, didn't I?
Yeah, you did. You clipped the side of the tree there a little bit.
Alright.
I want to try making it
Bigger place. Go over this way some and then
but coming at the trees. I saw the shadow on the tree.
I'm just gonna go ahead and land.
Yeah, you might want to land it.
Yeah, I don't care where, anywhere. How's that? Oh! Well, that's okay. The props are on the wing. How's that? Oh! Well, that's okay. The props are on the wing.
Yeah.
Oh, and I wasn't behind the flight line either.
No, you were.
Broke all the rules.
Yeah.
That's those stupid FPV pilots.
Now, I want to show you something real quick before you go running off on us.
What do you mean?
See that tree line there right in front of us, right here?
Yeah.
You're like probably a half mile behind that tree line earlier.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I'll have to review that footage.
Yeah, and you went below the tree line for a little bit. And
Yeah.
I couldn't find you.
I didn't know where I was when I was up there. I didn't have my
Yeah.
bearings. And so I ended up following the home arrow to keep following it back to here.
Yeah.
Until I finally made it. But I was way out over the road over there too.
Yeah, you're over that road though.
Over that road. Same road, but over that way.
Yeah. Well, what damage happened? Well, you had the antenna, but it folds over, right? Yeah. Okay.
Camera's still going.
Yeah.
Alright. We'll go ahead and stop that here.
Right to left landing coming in.
And stop. 2, 3. Okay. He's gonna throw a glider. Look out.
Yeah. Well, it's got a prop
Are you
on
gonna
it.
toss that right now? Yeah.
It's got a prop on it too.